Hello guys, here Mr. G with another question. This time we're going to be solving a question on electrostatic, which is mostly for the grade 10, but it's also applicable for grade 11 and 12. I will leave the question in the description below so you can answer before watching the video. This question says two spheres S and T or insulated stand carry charges of negative 7 times 10 to the minus 9 coulombs and 5 times 10 to the minus 9 coulomb respectively, as shown below. And then you have the two spheres there. This picture is the logo of the website where I download the video, guys. 8.1, which sphere S or T has an excess of electrons? And the answer is quite simple. This one have a negative charge, it means it have an excess of electrons. So the answer is S. That is an easy mark. In other words, S will have more electrons. Calculate the number of electrons in excess. And look here, when you go to the formulas, there are only two formulas actually. One of them is the one to calculate the number of electrons, and the other one is the conservation of charge. This one is conservation of charge. Alright, and this one is charge quantization, which is the one we are looking for. So let's answer that question, and let's answer in this corner on the left. This one is question 8.2. Alright, so what formula we're going to use? Number of electrons is equal to charge divided by the charge of one electron. The charge of one electron is also given to us. It is in the table. Let me show you. Let's go all the way down to the table. It's just here. There is the charge of electron. There. Don't memorize this number. They're given to you. Okay, so we are going to come back here and we are going to substitute. So the number of electrons will be equal to minus 7 times 10 to the minus 9, okay, divided by the charge of electrons, which is minus 1,6 times 10 to the minus 19. When you do that, you get that the number of electrons is going to be 4,375 times 10 to the 10 electrons. There we go. That is the number of electrons. Quite simple. If you do that, you'll get 1, 2, and 3 marks. One for the formula, one for the substitution, one for the final answer. The spheres are now allowed to touch each other and then separated. In which direction will electrons flow while sphere X and T are in contact? Write down only from S to T or T to S. Guys, S have more electrons than T. It is more negative. So the electrons will be transferred from S to T. And remember, this will happen when the spheres are touching each other. There will be S, there will be T. They are touching each other, and then during that process the electron will be transferred from S to T. So that is the answer here, S to T. If you say that, then you will get 1 mark, S to T. The next question, calculate the new charge on each other after separation, guys. And for this one is the conservation of charge. The formula is given to you, which is this one here. This is the formula that we are going to be using. So here we are. I think we have enough space to do it here. Q nu is equal to Qs plus Qt divided by 2. And all we have to do is to substitute to make sure that we substitute the sign. So it's minus 7 times 10 to the minus 9 plus 5 times 10 to the minus 9, everything divided by 2. And then you will get that the Q nu is going to be equal to negative 1 times 10 to the minus 9 coulomb. And that is the final answer for this question as well as for the video. In this question, you also have 3 marks, one for the formula, one for the substitution, and one for the answer. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope it helps. Subscribe for the channel, thumb up. I'll see you next time, Mr. G here.